What is up? It's your boy HeartlyMan8248. I got this brand new product. I did not make it, but it's called VIPERTEK. You guys will see it right here, right now, in your room, in your bathroom, wherever you're sitting, where you're watching this. You guys will see it right here, then and now. Alright, you guys ready to see it? Alright, hey guys, so this is what came in. I'll open it, unboxing. Alright, it says to tear up preformation to open. I tried doing that. The seal is all screwed up inside, so I'm just gonna cut it with my knife. Hopefully I don't cut myself. Cut it too short. Hold on. Let's try that again. Remember, boys and girls, never cut towards yourself like this. Like this. You cut like a normal person. Just like that. Alright. You guys ready? It's probably backwards for you guys. But it says VIPERTEK. I'm not familiar with the brand, but I know what they sell. It's good stuff. Alright, this is for you, Will. Alright? Here we go. Have this fun. Oof. Oof. You guys ready? How the fuck am I supposed to? How much? So they put the keys on the freaking arm thingy, but I can't. Wow. Okay. Wow. Great work, you guys. What even is this? Bruh. Oh, I see. Okay. Still not very helpful. Alright, so it's like one of those little keychain things where we gotta like go like that. Jeez. Oof. Alright, got it undone. Alright. These things are heavy. Oh yeah. Fuck, that hurt. Alright, let's do this one, gentlemen. Alright. How do I go with this? It's probably a bad idea, but fuck. So you can't really like, I mean, you could go like this, but like there's the double hinge, so it can go like this. Not to unlock myself. Crap. Where are the keys? There they are. Fuck. Uh-oh. I'll be right back. Alright, hey guys, I'm back. I got one arm out. That was very hard. It was really hard. I had to like go like that. Like, I don't even know. Shit actually hurts. It leaves little marks. See that? See, handcuffs aren't supposed to be comfortable. They're supposed to restrain you from moving and whatnot. So, thumbs up for VIPERTEK. There's a specific like model to these. But yeah, so the company is VIPERTEK. It's a good company so far. See, I used to have another pair of handcuffs, but they disappeared. I let my friend borrow them for a while. Never got them back. But basically, so here are the handcuffs. Here is a pouch thing by Blackhawk. It's kind of like a military grade stuff. Really good thick canvas. Really strong snaps, so that it's gonna be really hard to undo them with one hand. I mean, you could, like, if it was like strapped or whatever to my belt, I could just go like that. But usually it'd be behind my back, like that. So I would have to like reach and then try to put the handcuffs in there, right? So I'd have to like take them out, put them in. Buckle thingy. Got it in properly. Alright. Let's try to reorganize these. There we go. Alright, you guys, it's in. But from now on, I now know to put the hinges up first so that the pouch can close properly. But putting the hinges down is harder. It doesn't reach as well. I could try to, I mean, it is possible. It's going to be more effort. Almost had it. See, it's hard to do it. Well, my camera's falling. It is falling, but whatever. So, yeah, so it shouldn't take that much effort just to put one snap on. So I now know to put the hinges side up. So 5 stars, big thumbs up to VIPERTEK. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.